From the beginning, Tesla followed a well-structured plan, setting itself apart from traditional automakers, which usually react to market trends. Under the leadership of Elon Musk, the company chose to chart its own path, making electric vehicles more affordable without sacrificing performance and innovation. While the strategy seemed simple in theory, its implementation was extremely challenging, starting with a premium, exclusive model, then moving on to a mid-range vehicle with higher production volumes, and finally launching an affordable car for the general public. But why was this approach so crucial? The answer is clear. New technologies always have a high initial cost. To make them viable on a large scale, it is necessary to refine each step until finding the ideal balance between cost and efficiency. The first step on this journey was the Tesla Roadster, launched in 2008. Based on the Lotus Elise platform, this high-performance electric sports car served as a feasibility experiment. Despite its $100,000 plus price tag, its goal was not to be a sales leader, but to prove that electric cars could be fast, exciting, and, above all, desirable. At the time, the idea of a high-performance electric car seemed unattainable, but the Roadster challenged that perception by accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. This was Tesla's first impact on the market, setting the stage for its next big step. With the spotlight on the company and growing investor interest, Tesla launched the Model S in 2012. This time, it took a different approach, a luxury electric sedan with a range that surpassed its competitors at the time and packed with innovative technologies that redefined the concept of a smart car. While it was still an expensive vehicle, starting at around $50,000, it represented a major leap forward in terms of affordability and production volume. It was no longer a product restricted to millionaires, but it was also not a car for the masses. Tesla continued to strengthen its presence in the premium segment with the Model X, a high-performance electric SUV that further consolidated its position in the market. The big turning point came with the Model 3, launched in 2017. This was the moment when Tesla finally reached the mass market, offering an electric car for $35,000, the brand's most affordable model to date. Mass production brought challenges, but demand was overwhelming, consolidating Tesla as the largest manufacturer of electric vehicles in the world. From then on, the plan entered its final phase, to develop an even more affordable car without compromising technology or performance. The launch of the Model Q represents a revolution for popular electric cars. Before, consumers had to choose between power, range, or affordability. Tesla decided to change that logic. The Model Q is not just a cheaper car. It redefines the concept of an affordable electric vehicle. It delivers a level of performance previously restricted to luxury models. The biggest surprise? Its 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in under 3 seconds. An impressive feat in any category, especially for a car that starts at just $18,990. But how is it possible? The secret lies in the combination of a revolutionary engine and a design optimized for maximum efficiency. This performance puts the Model Q on par with supercars and far ahead of competitors in the same price range. For comparison, the Ford Mustang Mach-E, one of Tesla's main rivals in the electric segment, needs 5.1 seconds to reach this speed, while the Chevrolet Bolt EUV takes 7 seconds. In addition to outperforming its competitors in terms of raw performance, the Model Q does so while maintaining a significantly more affordable price. And the most impressive thing? All of this without sacrificing efficiency. This becomes even more evident when looking at its range. With an impressive 350 miles per charge, it stands out as one of the best electric cars in this regard. In practice, this means that drivers can travel long distances without constantly worrying about finding a charging point. For comparison, the Mustang Mach-E offers just 230 miles of range, while the Chevy Bolt EUV reaches 247 miles. With this advantage, the Model Q becomes an even more attractive option, eliminating one of the biggest concerns for electric consumers, the need for frequent recharging. The secret behind this efficiency lies in the advanced technology of the motor. It is not just a regular electric motor, but rather an evolution of what Tesla already uses in its most powerful models. Designed to be lighter and, at the same time, more powerful, it maximizes the use of battery energy, ensuring that every mile is optimized. The result? Incredibly agile performance without wasting load. A true game-changer in the driving experience. In addition, Tesla has optimized the weight of the Model Q to find the ideal balance between power and energy efficiency. New manufacturing techniques have reduced the vehicle's total mass without compromising its structure, directly impacting its handling. The car responds quickly to commands, maintains stability in sharp curves, and provides a much more engaging driving experience. Driving a Tesla has never been so easy and accessible. The Model Q's real differentiator isn't just its affordable price or impressive performance. The big breakthrough is its motor, which features technology previously restricted to Tesla's most powerful models. Covered in carbon fiber, this motor represents a significant evolution in the efficiency of electric vehicles, combining lightness, durability, and power. This innovation not only improves the performance of the Model Q, but also redefines the standard for the automotive industry. To understand the impact of this technology, just look at the structure of the motor. The rotor, a key part for moving the wheels, is traditionally made of metal, which adds weight and is subject to wear over time. Tesla solved this problem by wrapping the rotor in carbon fiber, an extremely light and resistant material. This significantly reduces the weight of the motor, allowing it to rotate at much higher speeds without compromising efficiency. This lightness brings another crucial benefit: less energy waste. In conventional motors, part of the battery's electricity is lost due to the weight of the rotor and mechanical resistance. In the Model Q, the optimized structure reduces this loss, ensuring that more energy is converted directly into movement. The result? Even more impressive acceleration and superior energy efficiency, providing greater autonomy without the need for a larger battery. But the benefits don't stop there. One of the common challenges in electric vehicles is the motor overheating at high speeds. Tesla found a clever solution. In addition to reducing weight, carbon fiber also works as a thermal insulator, preventing excessive heat buildup. This allows the motor to operate at more intense speeds without the risk of overheating, ensuring consistent performance even in extreme situations, such as sudden acceleration or long periods at high speed. Another major advance is in durability. In traditional motors, rotor wear over time can compromise efficiency and even cause mechanical failures. With carbon fiber technology, this problem is virtually eliminated. The reinforced structure keeps the rotor stable even after hundreds of thousands of kilometers, ensuring that the Model Q maintains its performance for many years. This level of reliability and low maintenance makes the Model Q even more appealing to drivers. And the most impressive thing? This motor technology has already been used in premium models, such as the Model S Plaid and Model X Plaid, which cost more than $88,900. The big news is that it is now coming to the mainstream with the Model Q, a car priced under $20,000, making this innovation accessible to many more people. Many associate electric motors only with power and acceleration, but the real revolution in the Model Q is in the way it uses every watt of energy stored in the battery. This balance between extreme performance and energy efficiency redefines what is expected of an affordable electric car. The secret? An optimized structure and the strategic application of carbon fiber to extract maximum efficiency and power. One of the highlights of this engine is its impressive RPM. While most conventional electric motors operate between 12,000 and 15,000 RPM, the Model Q's enhanced motor exceeds 20,000 RPM. This allows it to generate more power in a compact design, making the vehicle lighter and more agile. But this increase in RPM is not just an impressive number on the spec sheet. It directly impacts the car's acceleration, fuel efficiency, and drivability. Speaking of acceleration, the Model Q is capable of going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, a feat previously reserved for supercars or premium models like the Model S Plaid. The difference now is that this level of performance is available for just $18,990, making the experience of driving a high-performance electric car accessible to many more people. When you step on the accelerator, the response is immediate, with no delay or hesitation. The instant torque propels the car with surprising agility, delivering an engaging and exhilarating drive. But the big difference with this engine isn't just in its raw power. The real breakthrough lies in the drastic reduction in energy losses. In conventional electric motors, a significant portion of the battery's electricity is dissipated as heat or wasted due to mechanical friction. In the case of the Model Q, the carbon fiber reinforced rotor minimizes these losses, significantly increasing the system's efficiency. The result? The car not only accelerates faster, but also travels further with the same charge. Speaking of range, this highly efficient engine allows the Model Q to reach an impressive 350 miles, approximately 560 kilometers, on a single charge. To give you an idea, the Ford Mustang Mach-E only manages 230 miles, 370 kilometers, while the Chevrolet Bolt EUV reaches 247 miles, 397 kilometers. This means that the Model Q can offer up to 52% more range than some of its direct competitors. And this advantage doesn't come from a larger battery, but rather from an extremely advanced energy management system that avoids waste and makes the most of every available watt-hour. If there is one element that has always been associated with high-performance electric cars, besides cutting-edge technology, it is luxury. Models such as the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Porsche Taycan are clear examples of this. However, the Model Q is here to challenge this logic, bringing innovation and elite performance at an affordable price. It proves that efficiency and cutting-edge technology do not need to be exclusive to the most expensive models. Until now, sophisticated electric vehicles were comparable to luxury sedans, but with prices beyond the reach of most people. The Model Q is here to change that. For the first time, an affordable electric car does not need to sacrifice technology, comfort, or sophistication to maintain a competitive price. This model delivers supercar-worthy performance and redefines what is expected of an EV that costs just $18,990. The interior reflects this innovative approach. The Model Q adopts a minimalist and highly functional design, maintaining Tesla's characteristic futuristic style. The dashboard is clean and elegant, with a high-resolution touchscreen that concentrates practically all of the vehicle's functions. But this entertainment system is not just another ordinary screen. It has a powerful processor capable of running everything from advanced navigation systems and driving assistance to high-performance games when the car is stopped. For a vehicle in this price range, this level of connectivity is unprecedented. The interior space is also impressive. Despite its compact size, the car's intelligent design takes advantage of the absence of a combustion engine to maximize space for passengers and luggage, making it more spacious than many mid-size sedans. In addition, the Model Q maintains one of Tesla's trademarks, the panoramic glass roof, which increases the feeling of space and makes the cabin brighter and more pleasant. Another important difference is in the driver assistance systems. The Model Q comes equipped with Tesla's Autopilot, one of the most advanced driving assistants on the market. The car features automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, and intelligent speed control, features typically found only in more expensive models. Few competitors in the Model Q's price range offer this level of automation. When it comes to safety, Tesla has maintained its high standards. The Model Q is designed with a reinforced structure to absorb impacts and has an emergency braking system that continuously monitors the vehicle's surroundings. In addition, sensors and cameras cover nearly every angle, ensuring that the driver always has a clear view of the road ahead and can avoid collisions before they happen. This makes the Model Q one of the safest EVs in its class, a must-have for anyone looking for a reliable, everyday car. Another point that deserves to be highlighted is the soundproofing. Although electric cars are already naturally quieter because they do not have a combustion engine, Tesla went further and used advanced materials to further reduce external noise. The result is an extremely comfortable interior environment, something usually found only in luxury sedans. But the biggest surprise is that all this innovation does not mean a high price. The Model Q costs 41% less than the Mustang Mach-E and 50% less than the Bolt EUV, delivering superior performance, greater autonomy, and more advanced technology. This completely changes the game. Now, it is no longer necessary to choose between an affordable EV and a model with cutting-edge technology. The Model Q unites both worlds in a single car, an affordable electric car with cutting-edge innovation and supercar performance. Sounds too good to be true? Well, Tesla has just proven that it is possible. The big idea behind this revolution is in the way Tesla reinvented its production line. While many automakers still rely on outdated manufacturing methods, Tesla has invested heavily in artificial intelligence, robotics, and 3D printing to reduce costs without compromising quality. The Model Q is definitive proof that this strategy works. One of the most important innovations is in the manufacturing of the motors. Previously, carbon-coated motors were exclusive to Tesla's premium models, but now they can be mass-produced without increasing costs. This was possible thanks to the application of artificial intelligence and smart sensors that monitor each stage of assembly in real time. Small adjustments are made automatically to ensure maximum precision, reducing errors and waste. The result? A 25% reduction in the production cost of motors, making this cutting-edge technology accessible to a much wider audience. In addition, Tesla has implemented 3D printing to manufacture complex components that previously required multiple production steps. This technique allows for optimized part design, making them lighter and stronger, and speeds up the manufacturing process by up to 30% compared to traditional methods. It also reduces the need for huge stockpiles of parts, saving space and money. A practical example is the Model Q structural supports, which use reinforced materials to increase durability without adding unnecessary weight to the car. Automation also plays a crucial role in this revolution. While many automakers still rely on manual labor for critical tasks, Tesla's factories are highly automated, ensuring that each part of the Model Q is assembled with millimeter precision. The impact of this is significant. Motor assembly time has been reduced by 60%, allowing more units to be produced in less time. In addition, automation minimizes manufacturing errors, reducing rework and maintenance costs. Another key factor in reducing the Model Q's costs was local production in the gigafactories. Instead of manufacturing parts on one continent and assembling cars on another, Tesla has strategically positioned its factories around the world. Gigafactories in Texas, Berlin, and Shanghai have dramatically increased production capacity while reducing logistics costs. This means less transportation, fewer customs duties, and a much more efficient process. This strategy alone has resulted in 20% to 30% savings in logistics costs, allowing Tesla to pass these savings directly on to consumers. In addition to innovations on the production line, Tesla has also optimized the use of alternative materials and new processes to reduce costs without compromising quality. The company has developed lighter metal alloys for the body, making the Model Q more aerodynamic and efficient. The same has been true for the batteries, which have undergone adjustments to reduce the cost per kilowatt hour without compromising performance. Thanks to this aggressive approach to automation, artificial intelligence, and advanced manufacturing, the production costs of the Model Q have dropped by up to 25% compared to previous models. And the best part? Tesla didn't have to cut corners on quality to make its car cheaper. It just made its process smarter. The impact of this strategy is already being felt in the market. The Model Q is not just another electric car. It represents a new era for EVs. With a price point that's competitive even with combustion-powered vehicles, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance, it's changing the game. The question is no longer whether electric cars will dominate the market, but how quickly this revolution will happen. And with the Model Q, it looks like it will happen much sooner than we imagined.